The modern 19-foot prefab tiny home is a revolutionary approach to compact living that successfully balances comfort, style, and sustainability. As more people seek to downsize or pursue a minimalist lifestyle, this modular pod emerges as a compelling solution. With its sleek design and impressive thermal insulation, the 19-feet tiny home offers a unique blend of practicality and aesthetic appeal, marking it as an intriguing choice for anyone considering a sustainable living option. Starting with the exterior, the modern 19-foot prefab tiny home boasts a contemporary design characterized by clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. The exterior is clad in durable materials that not only provide weather resistance but also require minimal maintenance. The use of neutral colors ensures that the house can seamlessly blend into various environments, from urban settings to more rural landscapes. The compact size of 19 feet makes it easy to place on smaller plots of land, and its shape allows for optimal use of space without feeling cramped. Upon entering the home, the interior design continues to impress. The layout is thoughtfully planned, maximizing every square foot of space while maintaining an open and airy feel. Natural light floods the interior through strategically placed windows, which not only brighten the living area but also promote ventilation. The design incorporates an open-plan living space that combines a kitchen, dining, and lounge area, creating a communal hub ideal for relaxation and socializing. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances that provide both functionality and efficiency. The compact design includes a refrigerator, a stove, and ample storage, all within easy reach. The countertops are made from durable materials that can withstand regular use while offering a stylish surface for meal preparation. Coupled with modern cabinetry, the kitchen provides a practical yet chic culinary space, catering to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. The living area features a cozy seating arrangement that can serve multiple purposes. A convertible sofa bed allows for additional sleeping space, making it an ideal solution for hosting guests. The interior finishes are tasteful, with neutral tones that create a serene environment. The use of eco-friendly materials aligns with the tiny home's sustainability ethos, ensuring that residents can live comfortably without compromising their environmental values. One of the standout features of the modern 19-foot prefab tiny home is its thermal insulation. This aspect is crucial, especially for those living in regions with varying climates. The home is equipped with high-quality insulation materials that help maintain a stable temperature year-round, reducing reliance on heating and cooling systems. This not only enhances comfort but also contributes to energy efficiency, ultimately leading to lower utility bills. The home is designed to minimize energy consumption, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious individuals. The bathroom is cleverly designed to maximize space while still delivering a full-sized experience. It includes a modern shower, toilet, and sink, all carefully arranged to ensure functionality without sacrificing style. The use of high-quality fixtures and finishes adds a touch of luxury to this compact space, allowing residents to enjoy a comfortable and practical bathing experience. Another notable aspect of the modern 19-feet tiny home is its versatility. Whether used as a primary residence, a vacation retreat, or a guest house, this prefab home adapts to various lifestyles and needs. The fully assembled nature of the product means that it can be placed on-site quickly and with minimal hassle, appealing to those who value convenience and efficiency. The modular design also allows for potential future expansion or customization, enabling homeowners to adapt the space as their needs evolve. However, it's important to note that while the modern 19-foot prefab tiny home is designed for a minimalist lifestyle, it may not suit everyone's preferences. The compact size, while efficient, may feel limiting for larger families or individuals who require more personal space. Potential buyers should consider their lifestyle needs and whether they can comfortably adapt to a smaller living area. In conclusion, the modern 19-foot prefab tiny home stands out as a leading option in the tiny home market. Its combination of modern design, energy-efficient features, and practical space utilization makes it appealing for a wide range of individuals seeking an alternative to traditional housing. The high-quality construction and thoughtful design